Aloha and welcome to Java. Thank you kindly for joining me. This is for Thursday. It's June 27th, 2024. I'm going to apologize for the ambient noise. I am traveling again. There's quite a bit I wanted to go over with you before this opens. Going to be a short one though. We're going to go into our main risk indicators for the market are increasing. So we're watching the MMRI rising and moving into a fear greed index. So right now, the sentiment is we're getting some big data prior to the opening of the markets. It's going to be volatile. So if you're planning on trading this, either prepare on trading this volatility or just wait for it to settle if you're a trend trader. So I recommend waiting until it settles down, shows the direction it wants to go, and then going from there. It's not financial advice, that's just typically what happens. So we've got the relative strength of the dollar and the 10-year yield, uh, both moving since yesterday. We've also got cryptocurrency took a hit, but that is partial manipulation by the government. Go over that in a bit. We've got Japan's finance ministers repeating his warnings after the yen hits lowest since 1986. So they have to step in and save their currency. Their economy right now, um, they're doing really well. People have money, but the inflation is going to be tremendous. So they're going to have to make a move. They are on watch from the US government for currency manipulation. So right now we've got stocks in the green, gold, oil down, but the futures are in disagreement. So bit of a disconnect here. I brought this up about the 401k down here doing bad, but this is going to be a point where people are going to need to readjust. They're going to see their 401ks drop if this hits. So hopefully you've got a bit of diversification. So going into the calendar and earnings, the large ones today are the durable goods orders, GDP, and jobless numbers, all coming out prior to the market open. But we're also getting PCE, uh, more on the GDP and the Fed's balance sheet at the end of the day. We'll be watching that. We've got some earnings coming out today, not anything I'm particularly watching, but if you're into any of these, they could have a moving effect. So this is really what I wanted to talk about, the destruction and disintegration of what is going on now, along with the disinformation. Today is the basically the debates in the United States for the elections coming up. So everyone will be glued to this. I will not be watching this because I'm going to have to watch everything as it is coming out with all of their analysts saying who won whatever when all of that really it means nothing. It is nothing more than a distraction. It does not affect uh, the end results. It's a selection as it is in the first place. And yet we've got 6 in 10 adults saying they're highly likely to tune in. So all that tells me is that there's 6 in 10 people asleep out there. And we've got 4 people that are awake and paying attention. We did get Julian Assange. He was let free yesterday, but the interesting part is what he is becoming symbolic of. And I think this is kind of something to look forward to. So we'll just kind of keep that on the back burner. So, cryptocurrency. Wanted to talk about this a little bit. We've got the price, as this is saying, wobbling. It went below the 61,000 level because the United States government sent 4,000 Bitcoin onto Coinbase, the major exchange. Now, this was right behind Germany doing this. They are coordinating this to bring this price down. And they've got a lot of things going on behind this. So I'm going to leave that there for the moment because what I want to move towards is really what is incoming. Now we've got WorldCoin again in the news. This time they are partnering with a company called Alchemy. So now Alchemy is building the blockchain structure. Basically, they are running what they're calling World Chain. So this is also the home for World ID and World App. So if you don't remember, this is the same company when they started was Sam Altman. with the orbs that they were scanning biometric data. They started in third world countries. They've got billions of people already on this. They're paying them free cryptocurrency in order to do it. Again, buying their data without really telling them what was going on. And this is the one who has split off now with OpenAI, now in partnership with Microsoft. So definitely one to keep an eye on. This is something in my mind much larger than what we're going to be watching for these debates. These are debates for basically our freedom. So, with that, I would like to wish you all a wonderful day in general. Green, if you're trading, good luck to you. And until I see you again, my friends, stay free.